Okay, acids, bases, salts classification. All right, go through your PowerPoint. In your notes, you already took over all this stuff, and figure out, is it an acid, a base, or a salt? Now, salts are positive and negative ions, like sodium chloride, not just table salt, but potassium nitrate. All of those are salts. If you look at the end of the PowerPoint, there are some notes about salts. Now, when you get here, give the common name listed in the PowerPoint for each acid and base below. These are things you might find in your cabinet at home. I'm not going to tell you to go to your cabinet and grab some acetic acid. Okay, what's the common name for acetic acid? What's the common name for sodium hydroxide? Okay, etc. Everybody knows what sodium chloride is, hopefully. Put it on your French fries. If you don't know, Google it. Okay, list 5 indicators that change in the presence of an acid or a base. There's a whole slide over indicators. Litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and then there's a bunch at the bottom. So use any indicator you can find. All right, let me know if you have any questions.